In this video, we're talking about Famous AI. So, friends, we're talking about review and how you can use this software. This is a software based on AI. You can build a social media feed, post and habit trackers, build avatars, and create real-time things here. As you can see here, just write your prompts from here. You can add image on this platform. You have this option online store. You can build online clothing store or catalog for shopping carts. You have business. You can design a SaaS landing features. You have a social here, designed a social media feed with post. You have the dashboard here, as you can see here. You can create your project from here. Just click create project and start using this software. You have billing and information. You can use your accounts from here. You have domains. You can link it and buy domain from this search your domain, and you can buy your domains. White label, it's a great option. This is a subscription option. You can subscription to get these features from the project. Just click create a project. For example, write your prompts here, and you can start using. You can create a music players. This is for pro. You can create a team. This option to create a teams to collab project and share binning your teams. This is the software, as you can see here. You have different apps. As you can see, this is a live from community. You can check all this community. This is a software build, as you can see here. You can build just like the software. This is good for your project. You can start using this famous successfully without